Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect HubSpot to Outlook, so let's get right into it. Now, Outlook is Microsoft's email managing service, which is, as far as I know, just that. It might have changed over time. I remember it from back when it was in the early 2000s, what it used to look like. It might have added more options for use right now, but pretty much that doesn't matter. What you need to know to connect it to HubSpot is it's one of the two options that you're given when making your HubSpot account. Over here in the dashboard, I've removed it. However, you'll have the option to choose between Gmail or HubSpot to actually connect your email handlers, providers, just whatever they are. But as you can see, I deleted it, so I can't really access it from my dashboard. What I can do is go into data management, go to integrations, and then access the app marketplace from here. Once you're here, you can go ahead and go down to Outlook, click here, and you have the Outlook integration, and you can bring the HubSpot things to your inbox with the integration, and all you have to do is click install app. This is going to take you to the Microsoft store, where you can get the HubSpot sales app. Now, I'm not going to get it since I don't use Outlook. I use Gmail, so I don't really need it, but this is pretty much where you'll see all the benefits of this app and the app capabilities, everything that happens, and that is pretty much it. You also have details and support if you need any help with this and which products are supported. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. It's really easy to connect it. Just get the app, and those two will be connected. Add any data that you might need, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.